Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to make this miniature scrapbook. This is a Matchbox scrapbook. So I will show you how to make this beautiful matchbox which is decorated with beautiful pattern papers, and in the front I have added quilling flowers, and can you see it is fitting on my palm how tiny this is. And after sliding you will get the miniature scrapbook. So I have just decorated the scrapbook with some photographs. So you can create customized scrapbook in the smaller size as per your client request. And I have just decorated with some cute tiny elements as well. Isn't it a super cute idea? And just make a knot again and put it on the box and slide your matchbox. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. First I'm taking this pink color cardstock which measures 11 by 13 centimeters, and from all four sides I have creased on 2.5 centimeters. So first I'm going to fold all the creases and burnishing it using bone folder. This pink cardstock is having 300 GSM thickness. So here I'm making the box for our matchbox cover. Now I'm cutting all four corners like this. Fold these small flaps, add little glue, and then construct the box. So the box is ready. Now to make the slider lid, I am taking the sheet which measures 24 by 6.2 centimeters. Now take back your box and just put your cardstock like this and fold it according to the size and shape of your box. Don't do any measurements, just fold it according to the size and shape of the box, and you will get the perfect slider according to your box size. Now we just need to connect these two flaps with each other to close our lid. So the lid is ready, just slide your box from this and a cute matchbox is ready. Now it's time to make our scrapbook. So for this I'm taking this cardstock which measures 5.5 by 8 centimeters, and from right side I have creased on 0.5 centimeters. So I'm just folding the crease and burnishing it using bone folder. For whole project I am using pink color textured cardstock by Dress My Craft. And now I'm taking this piece which measures 2 by 7 centimeters. It will work like a hinge for our pages. And now just add glue on this folded part and stick with the hinge from one corner. Burnish it very well. Similarly, I have prepared 4 more pages. So in total I need 5 pages to create my scrapbook. And according to your requirement you can increase the number of pages, but for that you have to take bigger size hinge if you are taking more number of pages. So stick all the pages one by leaving 0.5 centimeter gap. And now for the last page, I'm going to add it like in this direction, just for the closure of our scrapbook. So I'm just rotating it inside and then sticking it. And the scrapbook is ready. Now it's time to decorate this with pattern papers. So here I have taken this cover paper of the heart pattern, and before sticking the cover I am just adding ribbon pieces on front and back side so that we can close the scrapbook. You can also use a magnet. Here I am using baby pink color satin ribbon, just matching with my paper pack, and then I am adding the cover page. Like this. And then I'm going to decorate the inner pages of scrapbook as well using some pattern paper pieces. So complete this. And here I have decorated my scrapbook from inside as well using pattern papers. And it's looking absolutely cute and gorgeous. Now I'm just tying the knot using ribbon to close my scrapbook. And then decorating the box and lid using some more pattern papers. In the similar way, I have decorated all 4 walls using same pattern paper from inside the box. And also I am decorating the top of the slider lid. Similarly, I have decorated with all 4 sides. Now putting back the scrapbook inside the box and adding the cover. So the decoration part is done. So here I have this beautiful embossed script vellum paper piece, and I'm going to stick it on the top of the matchbox just to decorate it. You can skip this part, but I thought to decorate it with embossed vellum paper. I have added very little glue because vellum are translucent and the glue can be visible from outside. So I have just added lots of glue in the center because on top of this I am going to add my sentiment. So anyways, it will going to hide. And on this I am adding the happy birthday sentiment. To give it little dimension, I have added 2 layers of cardboard with this. So adding the sentiment on right center part. And then I am proceeding for my quilling flowers. So for my first flower I am taking half strip of light pink color and making one tight teardrop shape. Just joining 5 petals together to make the flower. And for the center of the flower I am taking 1/4 strip of white color and adding exactly in the center. So in the same way we need 3 these type of flowers, and for the bigger flower I have taken 1 strip of light pink color for 1 petal, and for the center I have used half strip of white color 2 mm. Now taking back my Matchbox, and here I have some beautiful cute cutouts which I have done with pink cardstock. So I'm adding these foliage cutouts first and then I will add the flowers. Then in one corner I am adding this cute butterfly cutout. And to add little bling, I am adding some baby pink color sequences here and there. Like this. Here I have decorated my scrapbook with some photographs. I am going to gift it to my niece on her birthday. So in this way you can decorate your scrapbooks to gift it to someone special. Now just closing it by tying the knot. And you can change the color combination if you want to gift it to someone adult. You can use brown color or dark blue color. You can use light blue color for little babies, or you can use red color for anniversary. So according to the theme you can change the color combination. And I'm putting back inside my Matchbox, and see how tiny this is. It is smaller than my palm. So isn't it a cute idea? So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.